Hey guys, good morning. Welcome. Oh, I bet you can't even see me, but you can hear me. That's a good thing about these mics. They are very, very snazzy. It's currently Monday morning, the 21st. I basically have a bit of a dilemma. So I've been learning ICT since the end of April with a 2-month break. There is a slight little problem, little dilemma that I am currently facing. And as you know, this is all about my trading journey / life journey. I am in a pickle. Why am I in a pickle? Because I've never traded this whole ICT concepts, SMC, again, whatever you want to call it, through the Christmas period. Now, before, with all my old strategies, I would continue trading through the Christmas period because my belief, my paradigm was, as long as there is a setup, I will take it. You know, a setup in my plan, I'm going to take it. But then I saw that ICT has switched off his charts and he's no longer trading for the rest of the year. But he made a post saying that his market year, trading year comes to an end. And obviously then that got me curious, like why is that? Is just that personal preference or is it because of a liquidity thing? And so I kind of reached out to some charter members, some ICT experienced traders, and a lot of them are saying, yeah, like I'm taking a break now. So yesterday, Sunday night, we had our first kind of live community call. Well, it's not actually the first one, it's like the third one or the second one. We did one for the start of Project 50, but that was really nice just to talk to everyone. And the power of community is an amazing thing and really does hold me accountable. Every time I want to not hit a limit, I break through a new limit, and I think it's just the power of community. Enjoy the rest of the vlog.
About 50 pips, thereabouts, in terms of movement through the level. And again, this is a monthly chart, so a little bit of flexibility is necessary. I'm looking for.
Alright guys, so I did about I did like 75 minutes of going over a 35-minute video. So obviously pausing, taking notes, going back, etc, etc. Got a good amount of note-taking done, and shout out to Gaurav. Yeah, just keeping me company on the whole co-working space. Like we do this like virtual co-working thing. So what do I do like when I take notes like this? I obviously later on I will, continue to just flick through and read through. And the funny thing is that even though I've actually watched this episode, even though I use order blocks, I kind of feel like I know how to, trade it, analyze it, point them out, find them, implement. I still learn something new even if I watch some content. I think the camera cut out before I went to the coffee shop, but I was just saying how most of the days I actually feel not the best, but I feel like it's just, again, all in the mind. Sometimes our brain literally doesn't know what is right, what is real, so sometimes it just wants to protect you, keep you in the comfort zone of your bed. But I think it's important to learn to override that and rewire that thinking. But what has really helped, and what I was sharing before the camera cut out, was just environment massively helped. And then I think just following my calling and my purpose to do the things that I want to do. So when I was working in a full-time job, I would wake up and I just wouldn't feel energized. Kind of like, when you'd be at school and you just dread waking up Monday to Friday. But when I got to the weekend, you just wake up early, it's fine. But anyways, I've quickly got work to do because at 10 I have a meeting, and yeah. Alright guys, currently in the rooftop of the apartment, and I am pretty much just gonna be working and getting some stuff ready. So for me, who trades large funds, large capital, I want to preserve my capital, right? And so I don't always feel like I need to be in the market. That was kind of like my thinking the past 3-4 years of me trading. If there was a setup, then I would take it. And I guess this is a period where I can now learn and study and just keep getting better. There's certain things that I want to go into this coming week that I've shared with the group. So yeah, I feel like the next couple months or the next 6 weeks going into the new year, I'm just going all in on studying ICT, and it's cool to do that with the group. This place actually has so many filming opportunity places. Look at this chair. with this backdrop. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I think this is one of the reasons why I went to invest in my environment in this particular apartment, because of the co-working spaces and stuff like that. What I wanted to say is I get a lot of questions on if I'm gonna reopen Life Club. I don't see it opening up until, you know, the new year. I prayed over it. I prayed over the group before I launched it. I prayed over the amount of members that I would get, and you know, it's a very exclusive group. What's funny is that I am also part of the group, which means I also pay into it. There's a lot of things I won't say because, again, I don't feel comfortable opening up on it on YouTube anymore, just because I want to protect the vision, I want to protect my purpose, and there will be a time when I'll share it, just not right now in the building process. And God provided me with the exact amount of people that can hold me accountable, that I can hold accountable.
Yan lang yung nilagay ko dyan.
I'm gonna re-put it.
Kita sa kanila na maka-keep in touch sila, makita nila yung project na yun.
I was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down. But baby, then you came around. Yeah, you came around. No, I won't let you down.
It has been such a tough day. Just very mentally, physically taxing. A lot of responsibility, a lot of pressure. Don't want to be complaining about it, but it's just one of those things. Just thinking about like the direction of everything that I'm doing in life. So as you guys know, I'm Christian, and I don't want to just be any old leader. Obviously, I want to be making sure that I live a purpose-driven life, having a purpose-driven community. And yeah, there's going to be obviously days where I can tick off everything that I had to do, and I will still feel like, you know, crap, like poop. I've been in this situation so many times that I'm kind of just like, it's just one of those days. But it's been one of those days for a few days. Am I worried? Not really. Because yeah, like I don't have an expectation that I always have to be feeling good and that entrepreneurship is amazing and whatever they sell you on Instagram and other channels on YouTube. There will be days when I just sit here alone and plan my next moves and foresee some projects, and obviously the cliche saying of, but it's all worth it. And it is, you know, whatever field I'm in, there's going to be dips, there's going to be low points, there's going to be periods when, you know, you can't sleep, there's going to be periods when you feel absolutely amazing, on top of the world. It doesn't matter what you do in life, there's always going to be those ups and downs, and it's just how it is. Where the problem is if either you're staying too much on the high and you feel like it's got to stay like that, or if you are constantly in the low. Both of them, two extremes. Staying and living in that, or having an expectation that's just going to be like that forever. That's where we get the problemo, and that is no bueno. Yesterday was really, really special. Caught up with a friend, and I love friends that I feel like you can get deep with, but you can also like enjoy life with. So we also went to church and packed bags of kindness. So I feel like for me, Christmas is all about serving, giving back, and keeping those in mind who don't get to, like, you know, enjoy Christmas the same way that you do. I think I'm gonna leave the video here, guys. Just another chilled vlog of me updating you about my life. I mean, this is what the whole channel's about. You guys should know that by now. It's nothing to do with how to trade. It's just my life, my trading journey, what I get up to, my thoughts. But yeah, thank you for watching till the end, if you made it to this far. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless. Boop.